Today we're going to be checking out the new optional packages available for the 2020 Ranger XP1000 through Polaris's new Factory Choice program. This is a 2020 Ranger XP1000 NorthStar edition, and we've optioned it with every package available from Polaris through this Factory Choice program. First of which is the Premium Cab Upgrade. We also have the Upfitter package, we have the Ride Command package, and lastly we have the MB Quart Audio Package. Let's start on the outside. The NorthStar edition normally comes with a fixed glass windshield with a windshield wiper. The Premium Cab package swaps that fixed windshield for a tip-out windshield. This of course is in the full open position. It can also be just kicked out and vented. It does still give you the fully operational windshield wiper. On the doors, we swap out the premium doors with the crank down windows for a premium door with power windows. So on the driver's side, you have dual control for your driver window or your passenger window. Passenger side has control on its own for its own window. The premium doors with power also have additional accent lighting for the interior. Next, let's talk about the Upfitter package. Normally it would add an upgraded 900 watt stator, but that is now standard on the 2020 NorthStar editions. But with this model, it does still add additional power tie-in with the Pulse 6 roof bus bar, and it does also give you pre-wiring for 2 additional lights that are roof mounted, one in the front, one in the rear. The wiring's already run up top and is accessible underneath the roof headliner, and the switches are already installed here and powered. Finish up on the inside of the Ranger with the Ride Command package and the MB Quart Audio Package. First, let's look at the Ride Command. This is really a carryover from previous model years. It of course gives you your Ride Command 7-inch display with GPS navigation, infotainment control, and front and rear cameras. New for this package this year is it also includes a 4,500 pound Pro HD winch, which also ties in and allows for automatic control via the new plow mode. Last, we're going to talk about the MB Quart audio system. This upgrades the Ride Command with a total of 6 speakers and a subwoofer. In the front audio visor here, we have 4 6.5-inch speakers powered by an integrated 300 watt amp. Behind me on the roof, we have 2 additional 6.5-inch speakers, and underneath the passenger seat, we have a 10-inch 250 watt subwoofer. So that's a look at the Factory Choice packages available for the 2020 Ranger XP1000. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and if you have any questions, hit the comments below. This has been Ernie with Miller's Motorsports. Thank you for watching.